Okay, before I go on, I just want to welcome you all tonight here to Pure Energy one more time. And I know that some of you noticed that in my hand I have this thing that was plugged in. And that's because I know many have been getting sick lately. Kasama na ako dun sa listahan na yun. Tonight we were supposed to have Ogie Alcacin here. But he's not going to be able to make it because he is also under the weather. My son Gabriel is also under the weather, but he'll be here later on, I believe. And even one of my other guests, si Maymay Entrata, habang nagre-rehearse kami, may sakit din siya. So this was of course obviously not part of the first one that we had, you know, Pure Energy. Sige, ako na bahala dyan. Thank you. So, I have never faced this kind of situation before where wala na akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-throw up lang sa likod ng mag-throw up. And so I got dehydrated and they had to rehydrate me. So, yung nasa utak ko ngayon, I'll be very vulnerable with all of you. Anyway, you guys are here now. There's a part of my brain that's saying, wala na to, Gary. Di mo kaya to. Di mo kaya gawin. But my spirit wants to believe that kaya nga nandito tayo ngayon dahil sabi ni Lord, itong nangyayari. This is what's going to happen. He knew I was going to have a tough time tonight. And I'm expecting nothing less than for Him to deliver upon His promises. Dahil kahit kailan naman, hindi niya ako iniiwan na nag-iisa. He's never done that. And I don't think tonight's going to be the first night that He does this. However, if at some point in time, I also feel Him saying, Gary, this is the first time your concert is going to be like this, where you won't be able to finish it, but you'll still be able to speak into people's hearts. Do as I lead you. And I'm going to do that. This concert is perhaps the most special one for me. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ito kasali sa script namin, no? Alam ko kasi ako yung sulat ng script. But I don't know if I can finish this show tonight. But what I want to do is I want to do the songs that I know can speak into your hearts. It breaks my heart to know that we have prepared so much for all of you. But the body is saying, Gary, be cautious, Gary. You have many more years to go.